Hi Crafty Friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with a Scrap Diva haul. So I just did a video for the new July release dies, so if you're interested in that, I'll link that video down below. But this one is for her new paper collection, and I'm so excited. So this collection is called Hello Summer. We have a 12 by 12 paper pad, we have chipboard stickers, we have these little wooden stickers, and we have an ephemera pack, and I'm gonna walk you through everything so you can see it all. I'm gonna start with the paper first because this is usually what people will pick up before other things, but I'm sure she'll probably have a bundle as well. But I'm so excited for this because it looks gorgeous. So here we go. So it looks so vibrant and so summery. So we have 24 double-sided sheets, and yeah, oh, it looks so fun. So that's just this sheet. So this first one we have polka dots, and on the back we have the tag cut aparts. So I'm so loving this. If you have any of the last summer dies, I know, or maybe it was the summer before, but I know that she's got little surfboards. We have the retro van that came out a couple months ago. In the new die release, we have little umbrellas. I know that she's got a summer, or like a sun shaker. I think it might be a Memdex, or it's a mini album. I can't quite remember. And she has a flamingo as well. So she's really bringing in a lot of her older dies so you can use them and still, like, they're all still really relevant. So we have this like plaid, and it's like a lime green with a pale yellow and a blue line through them, or you know, to make them checkered. And on the back side we have this fun little print that has two little bathing suits. We have the crock that goes with the new crock die. We have a bucket and a shovel, and she has a shaker bucket, I think, from last year or the year before. We have the Adirondacks chair that came out last summer, and again, there's an umbrella in this new summer collection. And then we have that sun again. So if you have that sun that die, this will be perfect for it. Like, how fun is that to have it all matchy? And then we have like the strip cut aparts, but these are nice and chunky, so these are perfect for cards, bag toppers, stuff like that, to go along with whatever you're creating, scrapbook layouts, whatever. So we have this little girl laying out on her towel. We have this one that says vacation, summer, beach, swimming, beach, summer, ice cream, fun, and traveling. And then we have this one that has multiple. She's got this flamingo too. I think she has two different types of flamingos. We have this ice cream cone that's on this checkered background. We have this fun little flower, and then we have this hibiscus flower down here. And then we have this blue check, which is like a blue, and the line is white and green. Kind of gives me subway tile. It also gives me like when you go to the beach and you go to like the bathrooms, and they have the showers and the changing areas and stuff like that. That's kind of like the tile that's giving me. I don't know if that was her intention or not, but that's what it's giving me, is like pool house vibes. And then we have the little girl on the flamingo floaty. I think she might have a flamingo floaty. I don't know if she has a die that has the girl laying on the towel. But I know that there's a chipboard piece of her. And then, yeah, we have just the fun little girl on the little donut floaty. We have this girl. She's saying like, hey girl, hey. I'm not quite sure what she's saying, but that's what it reminds me of. She says, hey girl, hey. Then we have this one that just has all the words. Again, it has like swimming, travel, beach, vacation, just over and over. And on the back of here are the little crabs. These little crabs are so cute. And there's a little crab banner. How cute. And we have this yellow gingham. And on the back of the yellow gingham is the ice cream cone. Oops. I didn't mean to hit camera. And then we have this like pool page. So if you have any like pool dies, or if you're just doing like the front of an album, or just you want to use like the chipboard floaty girls, you have like a pool watery, or it doesn't have to be a pool, it could be like the beach water page. I don't know how you want to explain that, but that's how I would explain it. And then we have the starfish on this side. We have a pink polka dot. On the back of this is a hibiscus flower. And then we have some leaves and ferns. We have monstera, we have a leaf. This looks like kind of like an oak leaf. We have like palm frond. On the back of that we have the little flamingo. I love this page. This is probably one of my favorite ones so far. I love flamingos. I do live in Florida, so I do like a good flamingo. We had a flamingo on our beach last summer. I don't know if it's back this summer or not, but we had one, just one lone flamingo at our beach last summer. So we have this blue striped page. On this page we have the soda bottle. I do have the soda bottle. I think it came out last year or the year before. I think it was the year before. But if you have the soda bottle, it's perfect. I think I've only used it once or twice, and it was last summer. Like, I don't know, it just gives me a nice, like, you know, Coca-Cola vibes, like beach vibe. I don't know, like the glass bottle vibes remind me of like childhood, but I like that die. We have this fun, just striped page. Gives me like beach towel type of vibes, but so fun. And on this side we have the flip-flops. So if you have she also has a flip-flop mini album that came out, I think like 2, maybe 3 years ago. But I do have that mini album. And then we have more of the tropical leaves on this page in green. And then we have lemons on this side. So she did have lemon dies last year. She had the lemon pitcher and the little lemons. And this year we have a lemon mini album. So just so perfect, so summery, you know, lemonade vibes. So that is the paper collection. Next, we will move on to, I guess, these little wooden stickers. How cute are these? I really like these. I don't think I own any. I might have like one pack from Echo Park that I've gotten in the past. But I haven't picked these up in a while, but these are so cute and they give such a good, like, fun little pop to whatever kind of embellishment you're making. We have a popsicle, a flamingo, we have a soda bottle, and then these are the summer words again. So you have summer, travel, another summer and beach, another soda bottle. We have the retro van, we have the sun, the little mini sun, and we have 2 of the little bathing suits, a small hibiscus flower, and 2 larger hibiscus flowers just in different colors, and then a little crab. How stinking cute. And then this here, we'll go over the ephemera last so I can go through it. These are the chipboard stickers. So again, she has this flamingo. I think it came out last year. Maybe it was the year before. But we have bathing suit, hibiscus, the monstera, lemon, the girl on her bath towel. Oh, here's the little hey girl, hey girl. I don't know. She's holding a little hibiscus flower, but she's, in my mind, she's saying, hey girl, hey. We have popsicle, we have soda bottle, ice cream cone, and another flower. Jeez. More soda bottles. I like all the soda bottles. I don't know why. We have the little crab. We have the sunglasses. She did have some sunglasses that came out, I think it was last summer too, or the summer before. We have the van. This is a different flamingo. So I think she has 2 different types of flamingos. I'm not 100% sure. I would have to go through the site again because some of them, like, you know, there's been a couple summers. You know, she's been in business for a lot longer than I've been doing paper crafting. So there's that. And I am going to walk you through the ephemera because I'm so excited about this. I like her ephemera packs. I like that you get 2 of everything. I hate when I only get 1 of everything because then I have to buy 2 ephemera packs. And this guy is like chuck loaded. I don't know how many you get in here, but it's full. It's loaded up. You get quite a bit. I guess some that are sticking. Okay. So we have this retro van. We have, it looks like we have a surfboard. I think I'm gonna have to go back and purchase the surfboard die. It's been on my wish list, so I think I'm gonna have to go back and get it. We have traveling. We have the little bucket. I don't have the bucket die either. I might have to go back and get some stuff. We have some soda bottles. So there's 2 of everything. So there's a green one floating around. We'll put those all together. We have this flower. We have this cool guy in his tank top and sunglasses. Here's our little beach towel girl. I really like her. She's cute. She's really cute. And then we have beach. We have some leaves. Here's our little umbrella. We have just summer. We have You Are My Sunshine. I really like that. That's really cute. And if you have this, the paper and the sun, I can't remember, man. I'm gonna see if I can find it, and if I can, I'll try to link it. But it's either a Memdex or it's a mini album. But she's got the sun in something. We have this little girl on her little donut. It says "Beach hair, don't care." That's cute. I have this girl on her little flamingo float. More leaves. This one says vacation. I have a couple different hibiscus colors. Oh, here's that other soda bottle. And here's my Hey Girl Hey. I have a pink flower to go with the blue flower. And some more leaves, multiple different styles. Our little popsicle, flamingo, little bathing suit, little Adirondacks chair. Oh, here's the girl on her little donut floaty again. Another hibiscus. Oh, look at the little crab, he's cute. Oh, so we have another popsicle, little bow. Have a lime, more leaves. That one matches that one. Here's a popsicle. We have a pink soda bottle, well, reddish pink. The ice cream cone, our little sunglasses. We have starfish. We have little shovels to go with the pails. We have, look at these cute little like daisy sunglasses. Aren't those cute? Then we have our little jelly tote. Here's our other flamingo. I like that she included both like styles. We have a yellow flower, lemon, our little flip-flops, another hibiscus, another little sun. We have our little Crocs. Oh, more soda bottles. So we have this soda bottle. We also have orange soda. Lots of sodas. Another little fern, and then another pair of flip-flops. So cute. I really like that she incorporated some of her older styles. So if you have like her summer dyes from last year, the year before that, like pull them out, because they'll all kind of go with this collection. Like I really like that she tried to like keep it like, I don't know, not just new, but new and old. Like she's really melted it all together, and I really like it. So this is a great summer collection. I really like it. I like her ephemera pack. It's a lot of fun. So many good uses out of here. So if you have any questions, let me know. This will be released July 5th, and I will link it below when it is released, along with all the summer dyes that are coming out, and that video of me going through the summer dyes. If you're interested, make sure you follow hashtag scrapdivadesigns so you can see what everybody creates, not just the design team and myself, but everybody. Anybody can use that hashtag, so you can get inspiration. If you need tutorial videos, anything like that, it will all be, if you hashtag it, then you'll be able to see all the videos. So make sure you check it out, and I will link everything again down below. You can use code CheekyBum to save yourself 10%, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.